Hi folks, remember I showed you how to play what I've called box patterns. Sounded like this. And I promised you a little bit more work on that. Well, this is video number 2 in this department. So, assuming you can do that already, if you can't, go back to the first video, box patterns number 1. So, what we're going to do here is just taking the first 2 holes. So, to remind you, you're breathing out on 1, sliding up to 2. Just try that. So, you breathe out on 1 and slide up to 2. And then you just reverse the breathing, breathe in on 2 and slide back down to 1. So that's all played smooth legato, just sliding around. But I want to add something else into it. Articulating, tonguing, double tonguing, triple tonguing, single tonguing. If you were single tonguing, you would be going ta 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 ta. Which is fine. Ta 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 ta. I'm just saying the word ta, whispering. Ta 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 ta. Or it could be ka, ka 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 ka, anything you like. Sa sa, doesn't matter. But let us try double tonguing, which is called ta ka. If you double tongue taka taka, you can say it much faster taka 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 than you can if you single tongue ta 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 ta. Can't go so fast. So we want to try and combine double tonguing and then triple tonguing with movement on the harmonica on this box patch. This is pretty tricky stuff. So I'm going to go taka on holes 1 and 2, breathing out. So that was ta ka, and then breathing in, ta ka, going down, hole 2, hole 1, breathing in. Ta ka ta ka. Try it with me slowly. Ta ka ta ka, 1, 2, 2, 1, breathing out, breathing in. And then you try and speed it up. There's the tricky bit. And then you can migrate that up the harmonica. Let's try holes 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-ka, ta-ka. Ta-ka, ta-ka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holes 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-ka, ta-ka. All breathing out. So try that with me. And a little faster. It's sort of difficult to get it really synchronized. It's quite a simple process, isn't it? Because you're just moving the harmonica across the airflow. Ta-ka, 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 and going ta-ka at the same time. Which is essentially just interrupting the airflow. Ta-ka, ta-ka. And then breathing in. So from hole 4 now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-ka, 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 ta-ka. Or even with the right notes. Taka, 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 taka. Okay, so that's using 4 holes. Could be any 4 holes. There's a bit of a limitation to this. It doesn't work so well on the high notes, so I tend to use this. It works better on low harmonicas, in my experience, but perhaps you can prove me wrong. Now let's try triple tonguing. So we're going to go ta-ta-ka. So that means 3 holes. So let's do it on 1, 2 and 3. Ta-ta-ka. and then going in on 3, 3, 2, 1. Ta-ta-ka, ta-ta-ka. Ta-ta-ka, ta-ta-ka. You could do it on six holes, couldn't you? Ta-ta-ka, ta-ta-ka. That's really hard to get it synced up. So have a go at that. So that's a little go on box patterns using tonguing. Ta-ta-ka, ta-ta-ka, or taka-taka, taka-taka. And then I've got one more idea for this box pattern things, and then I think I'll just let it rest.